Hey, Bill Soriano from Pittsburgh. It's 2:14, about 6:16 p.m. here, and here is my Forex trade from this morning, 51 pips. It was a long position, GBP CAD, $39.63. So let me show you what I seen here when I took this trade. So this was this morning about 6:30 in the morning Eastern Standard Time. 6:45, something like that. What I seen here was GBP CAD 15-minute chart here. It stayed in a very tight range here during the Asian box, 28 pips. That's what we like to see. And then it makes this move down into the stop hunt box. You can see you have this two big candles, and then you have this third candle right here that was all red at one point and then closed right there. So it comes down right to here. There's the low of the day at that point. It pulls away from it. It goes back and goes a little bit further down, throws a pin down lower, but then it comes back and closes up above or right at that close right there. And so when you see this is a relatively quick one. It's only, 45 minutes, 3 or 4 candles here, but this is a very quick W here. And after this candle right here closes, that's where you want to take the trade. Now, I got in a little bit early. I got in during this candle at some point, so I got in just a little bit earlier. Let me see here, guys. I got in at 74299. Well, you got to factor the spread in too, and the spread was pretty high on this morning, and it still is right now, 6.3 pips. So, yeah, so I got in on this candle here, but my entry was up here somewhere, right? 299, 295. What was it here? 74299. Okay, so you get the picture. Anyway, I got in there, and boom, it moves right out. Now look what happens right here. This is the candle where I get my 50 pips right here. But look what happens. After this move up here, the candle opens right here. Look at the drop. The market maker takes this all the way back down below my entry. You see that? So at one point here, I'm up 30 pips, and then all of a sudden I'm down, right? But you just have to stay with it, and then after a while it moves up, and boom, I get my 50 pips right here. Then what happens? It goes up another 50 pips, another 60 pips. But you know what? Those aren't my pips, guys. My 50 pips was right here. I want to get 50 pips a day. Now, what I could have did was, though, again, we looked for the counter trend trades, but I didn't get a chance to check the charts after I got out here, because normally if I get my 50 pips, then I'm done for the day. But if you look at this here, you got an average daily range of 147 pips. So what do we look for? We look for this to move at least 147 pips. It's 2 pips short, but probably close enough, guys. It is just about 147 pips right on the nose. So it makes a move equal to the average daily range. You could see 1, 2, 3 clear pushes up, right? And then when you get at the top, you get this beautiful looking W. And what do you want it to do here? What you want it to do here is I like to see it come within 3 pips of this high right here, okay? And it definitely does that right here. It actually comes up higher, and then it drops down and closes right here. Now, that's the only thing that bothers me about that, is that candle's kind of big, but your entry is right there. Your entry is right there. And what do you want to do? On a counter trend trade, you want to take it back to the water. So you could have gotten 25, whatever. You could have gotten 20 pips back to the water, and you could have gotten out on that candle right there. Or if you wanted to take a chance, you could have held on a little bit to get it back close to the Mayo. But normally on counter trend trades, we like to take it to the water. Okay. So again, there was my trade right there. It's been a good start to the week here. I got 51 pips on that, and these are my results so far this week. As you see here, this was on Monday. These two trades were yesterday. I made a video about that, and here's today's trade right here. So currently up about 100 pips, I think, maybe 99, 100 pips, $78.12 for the week. So it's Bill Soriano from Pittsburgh. Until tomorrow, make it a great day trading Forex.